Can you get funky? First off, let's talk about font. You want to know how I did that? You go up here to the arcuated, how do you say that? Arcuated text. You click it, you type what you want. It's going to have the top art. You tell it OK, which I'm not. And then you can adjust the angle here on the right side, and that will adjust the angle either direction of the font here. You can do the same way at the bottom. In the bottom, you have to tell it to, you declick the top art and you adjust the angle that direction as well. So, I'm making a project for my own, kind of a promotional thing. You can see here is Funky Monkey Wrestling, and if you can see here, this is a it's brass, not really brass, but it's a very thin layer of brass. It's laser engravable. It's got a black backing on the back of it, and we're going to go, I am going to say probably 12%. I'm going to start out with 10 just for giggles because it's up higher. I have this taped down because I don't want the corners to come up. I kind of want to make sure that I have this all centered. You can see here I had this selected top centered. What I should have done was move all this up so it's closer. Which I think I can do that. I got the bottom two. I don't know how I did it. Anyway. So I'm going to get this set up and get it set up to where it's lasering on that. Okay? Kind of stupid. You click on that, then you hold your shift button, then you can click that, and then you can click that, and you can move the whole unit. I don't know why I didn't think about that. It's a typical Windows operation that you can do with any application, which, again, I don't know why I never thought of that. So now we have this set up, and I want to make sure it's going to be in the top center of this. I don't have much leeway. So I got it set at 11, tried it at 10, it didn't mark too well. See what 11 does. It's amazing that there's actually mark in it. I don't want it to burn through the material. If it turns out well, it's going to be kind of cool. Let's just see what happens with it. Hopefully everything turns out the way I like it. Trying to see in here. I'll let it go. Let's do its thing. Hoping that, you know, this is not going to be wide enough. Let's see. I don't think I made that wide enough. I should have made it wider. I don't know why, but it really stinks. I'm hoping this up here turns out better. Take a washcloth and rub it down. Didn't turn out too bad. A little off on the left. Nothing I can do about that now. You know, first trial run of everything, you're going to have issues. This is doing the bottom part. It's a champion. Doesn't have to be spot on for both sides. I'll be trimming that down. Let's just see what it is. That's kind of cool. This comes from Walmart. Once this is done, and I'll wipe it down and make sure everything's nice and black. Which I'm concerned at the top of the monkey's head. It's once nice and black, and I'll take and show you what it actually is. If you're interested in doing something like it, you can. That's what it looks like. You can see that stuff is kind of floating on there, so I'm gonna wash it down. I'm just gonna use the Windex and see what happens. Can't really tell it because this is kind of a gray looking. You might be able to. You can see there's two tones here in the black. So I'm gonna go over this one more time with the 12%. Make it all black. That's what it looks like. See the difference right there? Where it's engraving, it's black, and now that's gray. You can see it. That's why I want to go over a second time. Alright, this is what it looks like. Nice and black now. I'll take it off. Show you what it is. Made by Walmart. I got it as sampler kit, and it is called Flexi Brass European Gold Black 2-ply. Just the information, that's the model number of that. It is a very flexible product. So let's show you what's next. So what I did was take a mock of this. This is the kids wrestling belt. Buy it at Walmart. And I cut the design out of that. I cut the studs off of this. We don't need this anymore. Not important. I'm going to glue that right on there. There you have it, folks. It's Funky Monkey wrestling belt. Pretty cool, huh? So if you have a backyard wrestling event or indie small wrestling event, you want to make a kid's wrestling belt, contact me. Leave a comment on the video section below. We'll make you something. It won't be as sloppy as this. It'll be pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.